My dog wants to play now that I've sat down to take a video, and we've literally been sleeping all day because I went to the Backstreet Boys concert last night and I got really fucked up. Have a headache. But my burps were getting lost in the crowd. Nobody could hear them. But I was so fucked, I almost fell down the hill. We had lawn seats, and it's like slanted, and I kept losing my balance. But it was really like the best concert of life. Backstreet Boys. I was dying. I literally cried so hard when they came out. They started playing their intros. I know I look so dead right now. Oh my god. Oh, yeah. But it was so much fun, and I was in line to get this T-shirt. I got the best T-shirt. It was so cool. Triple X. Got the biggest one they had. I was in line to get this shirt when we first got there, and I was standing behind this girl who kept like flipping her hair in my mouth, and I was like, this is like so extra. I don't need this disgusting hair in my mouth. But she kept flipping her hair in my mouth. But it was so good. I was like standing by myself. My sister and her friend had gone to the bathroom, and I was holding my sister's beer. We had these big 750 milliliter beers, and I'm holding two beers, and they start playing the intro for the Backstreet Boys, and like literally the tears just started coming. It just started bawling my eyes out, and the woman in front of us, who was previously very bitchy, was like, "Oh my god, are you okay?" I was like, "I love the Backstreet Boys." Oh. It was a good time. Then after the concert, we went to this bar downtown, and it was like a live band, and just like a dance party. We got there, so like I sobered up. I had a bottle of water um, when we were leaving, and so when we got to the bar, I was like, I had to pee so bad. I just wanted to pee. I just had to piss like a racehorse. And anyways, so we get to the bar and I order my first beer, and like I'm halfway through my first beer and I'm like annihilated again. I was like, oh no, better just drink water. Don't drink any more alcohol. Don't want to be fucked up when you get home. And I also ate an edible. I ate 30 milligrams, which is a hell of a lot more than I'm used to. Usually I'll take like max 10, but she had two edibles. Each of them were 30, and we ate them half at a time. So we each had half of each, so 30 milligrams. But it was good time. Good time. And then tomorrow we're going to the beach. Oh, 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 oh. Who's excited for the beach? I'm excited for the beach. I love highlighter. I love this brush too. I used to put highlighter on with my fingertips, but I started using this brush. And my husband went out to like a work party for a company that he doesn't work for anymore. But sounds like he must be having fun there. I haven't heard from him, so he left at like 12. I have ordered beer, so we can have something to take to the beach tomorrow. I wore my fanny pack. So like I was wearing this kind of cute outfit. I was wearing a long black shirt. It's like all the way to it's like maxi shirt, I guess you could call it, but it's slit all the way up to here, so it's a shirt, it's not a dress. But as soon as I got my t-shirt, I like tied my shirt up and then like just put the t-shirt on in my fanny pack, and like the shoes I was wearing were like not comfortable. My feet are so sore. My big toes hurt, and my feet were bleeding by the time I got home. Yeah, but it was a really good time. I would go again in a heartbeat. It was the best. I only cried a lot. La 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 la. Also did my nails myself. I bought a nail kit and then I filed them and everything, and then I painted them and blah 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 blah. I was supposed to get a nice kit of nail gel, but now it's not coming until Wednesday, so I had to improvise and just do blue because they didn't have any other colors. This guy's about to shop my order. Yeah, 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 yeah. Valley Village bags are so good. These ones. This one. Because I use them as laundry bags. Every time I go to Valley Village, it's a thrift store if you don't know, I would always ask for the big red bags because I would use them as laundry bags, and I happen to have a lot of laundry, so works out. I gotta find my bathing suit for tomorrow. Damn. I think I know where one of my bathing suit bottoms is. I think it's in my drawer. But the other one is a mystery. Backstreet's back, alright. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Took some Advil for my headache. It was like literally throbbing. I was still high this morning when I woke up. Or had like a weed hangover. That is possible, by the way. Bless me. Sneeze-a-rooney. I thought I would have more burps, but they don't seem to be wanting to come out. I literally look dead. My eyes are swollen from crying. And I just have a headache. I can't believe the weekend went by so fast. It's already Sunday. I have tomorrow off, but I was hoping the weekend would be a little bit slower. Because now it's already halfway done. Whatever, today's like Saturday. Not for John, though. He has to go to work tomorrow. Anyways.